Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyam, and as you can guess from my outfit that today I will be going to teach you a tutorial of the up challenge which I posted last week. If you haven't watched my up video yet, the link is right here. Click on it, view it once, have a preview that what I'm going to teach today. And without further ado, let's get started. And there's a reason why I did started, because this up challenge is going to be super energetic. So let's get pumped up on energy. Let's go. So the whole choreography is divided into 4 sections on the counts of 1 to 8. And the first 3 1 to 8 steps are going to be fast. So they are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this rhythm is going to happen thrice on this speed. Last 1 to 8 speed, 1 to 8 steps are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So keep that in mind while I'll be teaching you. And also the lyrics. I'm not going to teach you on the lyrics because you can Google the lyrics. If you can talk that fast or sing that fast, good for you, but I can't. So it's gonna be on counts. So chalo, let's start. So like the rest of my tutorials, this tutorial is also going to be mirrored, which means my right hand is the one which has a sleeve, and the unfortunate hand which does not have a sleeve is my left hand. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. First stance will be your feet wide apart. So it's going to be proper apart, okay? And also your knees are going to be bent, okay? Like so. The more you can score, like the more impactful your dance will look. But yeah, at least aim for this much. So the first 4 counts is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to look stupid right now. So what is going to be a hand movement is going to go from your chest 1, okay? So while you're opening your hands, you should feel sort of a jerk on your elbow. Okay, so if I open it like this, it doesn't look strong. You have to open it 1. So right hand, left hand. Then what you have to do is you have to take your right hand and punch down. So punch back and back, okay? So what we're doing is right hand punch, right hand behind, left hand behind. So let's do the hand and the legs together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this is looking sort of basic. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add a little bit of my chest movement. So what I'll do is 4 times I will squeeze in my stomach. So I'll do like this. Okay. So we are not popping our chest. What's the opposite of pop? You're doing just the opposite of pop. You're popping in. So don't pop out, pop in your chest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's the first 4 counts. Yay! Let's move forward. I know, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving forward. Now what you have to do, once both of your hands are down, you have to graze them along your body and then finally clap. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be a big clap. Don't clap it on your head or here. It has to be clapped just over your head. What about your leg movement? So the leg movement is quite basic here. You're not really moving, but your waist will be doing this. So what I'm doing is I'm making a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And on the last 4th step, you have to jump and do this. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So yeah, if you're not able to do this action 4 times, you can also do this. So what I'm doing is, I'm just doing this. Take your pelvic first out and then in. Let's revise whatever we have done so far. No. I know, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Immediately after this fourth step, this goes down. Okay?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
After this step, you have to take your left leg and place it here, like bend, close, right leg bend, close. What about your hands? Your hands and legs will be opposite. So when you're going to the left, your right hand will be in this L sort of shape and you have to pull something. Okay? I'm making a pull action and then pull. So this is my 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Okay? So the continuation between this section and the current section is going to be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4. So this hand should come down and immediately go up. Okay? Then after this, you have to put your hands together like this. So this should be a shape of your hands. And you have to take your hand, put it across diagonally. So first starting off with the left side, from left to right, and then from right to left. And while you're doing, you have to look at your hands. Okay? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What about your legs? So while you're putting your hand from the left to the right, your right leg will go as 1. Okay, and your whole body will turn in the right direction. And then once you're putting your hands from your right to the left, you have to take your left hand and then turn whole, like pura turn. You have to completely turn towards your left side. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you, the whole step together. So it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so I completely twist my upper body as far as I can. Okay, don't just do this. This looks very basic. You have to take your hand, totally turn, and then take your hands from your right and then totally turn. And if you're a girl, make sure you whip that hair. So let's do from the second section. So 1 2 3 start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
So yeah, our first two sections are done. Let's move on to the next third section, which is also be on the count of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's start. So for the next section, our initial position is going to be us turn in the left side. Okay, so we are currently facing the left side, and from here we have to do our 8 counts. So the first 4 counts are going to be like 1 2 3 4. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my right leg 1 2 3 4, but also there is some action happening on my left leg which is behind, so I'm jumping. So I'm doing 1 2 3 4. What about my hand? My hand is going to be like so. So when it is up, my hands will be open, but when they are down, they will be like this. Okay, so it's not going to be a thumbs up, it's going to be like this. So while I'm hitting my knee, my hands will be in this. 1 2 3 4. Once I'm putting my hands down, only then it will be in a fist, but once it goes up, it will be open. So let's do the hands and the legs together. So it's like 1 2 3 4. Also, if you look closely, I'm not doing it straight. My back and legs are not in the same line. I'm a little bent on the back side. Okay, so my back is not straight, it's a little arched. So the whole step is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so finally your hand will be up, in the up direction. Now what you have to do is take your left hand which was behind, so this hand also comes up, and you have to like something is poured upon you and you're like, wow, it feels amazing. So it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so what I did initially, also my back was a little bent, but when I do this, it bends even more. So let's revise from the top. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
Now we have to dance in the beat of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your last step was this. Okay. Now you have to turn, like you have to face the audience, face the camera, and jump super high. And while you're jumping, both your legs will be, of course, up, but they won't be up like this. They're not straight. They're gonna be like, how do I explain it with my hands? Wait, I'll show you. So you have to jump like from the side. Okay? So both your legs should sort of go back. Okay? Only then you can jump like this. इसके लिए the beats are slow here because you have to do so much of tandem. Okay? So while you're jumping, it's 1, 2. So 1, 2. And your hands are going to be from up to your leg. Imagine this leg is in the air. So you have to hit your knees like this. It's like, okay. So I'm jumping, and while I'm in mid-air, I'm touching both my knees by pressing it down. Imagine itni mushkil se you're going up, but your hands are like, oh, go down. So the first two counts is like 1, 2, okay? And then immediately you have to bend totally down like this. And I'll show it to you from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wish I could see you guys live because इतना तड़प रहे होते हैं ना इस स्टेप में लोग. It's fun to watch. So basically so far जितना भी हमने किया, it is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And now the last 4 counts, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. उसमें क्या करना है? You have to sit down in 4 levels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And what about your hand? Only your right hand will be working for the first 3 counts, like so. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then end में you cross your both your hands, and then you open and push your hands like this. Okay? So it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. The whole step is gonna look like as 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is going to be the most difficult step because you have to balance and go down after all this stand-up, which we did right before it. But yeah, you have to do that. And if you're a girl, you can again use your hair to add a little bit of flair. Okay, so कैसे करना है? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last step में ये करने के पहले जब यहाँ पे हाथ है, when your hand is here, tilt your head to the left. Okay, tilt your head to the left and do this. Okay, currently my hair is tied, so it doesn't go like. You have to make like a wind wiper movement. ऐसे. So let's revise. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Haha. For this choreography, it is not that complex, guys. It just looks a lot of work. It is a lot of work, no denying that. But make sure you are very agile on your foot. Like, just do everything on your toes. Do not be very heavy on your foot. And also make sure your hands are always flexed. Hand movement should always be like this. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, नीचे नहीं. whenever you're opening it, don't open like this or this. Open it kadak. Okay? Tuck. Jerk aana chahiye. So when your hand goes up, open it. Huge arms. We have to make huge movements. One. Then last mein aise. So guys, that's it for the tutorial today. That is the end of choreography. Make sure you're going to put a lot of big arm movements, okay, and jump as high as you can. And yeah, you have to make like a straight face. You're not supposed to do smiling. Don't do like this, okay? So this dance form requires you to be very full attitude and swag. So make sure you have a straight face. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you learn this tutorial, make sure to tag me on my Instagram. Please upload it so that I can watch it. You can tag me on my Instagram handle, which is Priyam_Shrivastava. I'll say yeah, hope you guys like this tutorial and hope it helps you. And yes, up choreography is the most fun dance form routine which I've done so far. It is like, you know, putting all your aggression together and dancing without any care in the world, which is how dance should be done. So make sure you do that. Make sure you put in big arm movements. You jump as high as you can. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. And if you learn this choreography, make sure to tag me. Send it to me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Priyam_Shrivastava. It is also given in the description below. And I've put the up challenge on my Instagram as a reel. You can also do a remix with me. And once you do a remix, so the display will be going to be like me and you performing together. It's amazing to watch. It's a fun new feature of Instagram. Make sure to, you know, tag me, use that option, remix that reel with me, and also put in the hashtag remix with Priyam so that I can watch it. And yeah, that's it. Keep the energy up, and it's up, and it's up, and it's up. That's it from me, guys, and see you soon next time. Bye bye. Have fun. And ruko. Wait, almost forgot, but very important. I'm so grateful that you guys subscribe to my channel, and now I do have 1K subscribers. Thank you so much for that. It means a lot. Thank you for all the encouragement, and you know, it's quite nice that someone is watching your efforts. So please keep doing that. Keep supporting me. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more of my videos, tutorials, challenges, song covers. So yeah, that's it from me today. Signing off. Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should not have done the up challenge with the earbuds.